So guys, my name is Laksh and welcome to my channel Fire to Gamer Laksh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload offline exam papers on lfselearn app. So let's get started. First you should go on Google Chrome. Now you should go to home page. Now what you should do, you should search lfselearn. So lfselearn I will search. Now you should click on sign in. Now you should click on offline exams. Now here this interface will come, something like this interface will come. Now you should search which exam you should upload. So for example, I am uploading chemistry. So chemistry exams. So first which exam is first you should check today's date, then you should click on that exam. For example, this is today's exam. For example, this is today's 1 minute. For example, this is today's exam. Now you should click on upload. Now here something like this interface will come. Now you should click on browse. Now you should select the image. After selecting, automatically it will be uploaded. So after selecting, automatically it will be uploaded. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.